So we're at the tofu factory today in Tetebatu. We're just going to have a look at the way they make process tofu. And there's local kids. Say hi.
Say hello.
Look, you see all the tofu drying up there. Is that fresh tofu? Look, it's all dripping. It's fresh tofu just drying out. But let's go see how it's made.
Okay, this is the rice skin that they used to make the fire to cook the soya milk. Pretty cool recycling at its best.
So this is the tofu factory. We've got chef number 1 and chef number 2.
Yes. Smell it, can't you?
Yeah, you can smell it. So tofu making involves fresh soya, which is down there, and they wash that in water, and then they pop it into this machine. So the soya they soak in water for 1 day, and then they grind it, and then they blitz it into that gunky liquid. And then the second step is cooking the soya once it's processed, which is down there, and that cooks the soya. What else do they put in there?
It's curdling the soya.
It's
Only
only water.
water.
That's why
Yeah.
they cook it here.
With water in it, yeah?
Only water.
Just this?
That's it.
Okay, so nothing else but the blended soya.
And then the fresh here.
It's
And
sort of curdled.
then they press it in this machine here.
And the soya milk comes down.
Okay, so they press the liquid.
You see it there? Down here. Compressing it together. Where's my hand? Down there, look. It's like compressing it together into a patty.
Okay, so he's now adding salt into the soya milk.
And then the fresh.
Might let it cool down a
Fresh like
bit.
that.
Fresh soya milk. So
Yeah.
if you're wondering how soya milk is made, soya milk is made like
Yeah.
this.
This is fresh.
This
and
is
it's-
soya milk.
The sheet over there where it's straining,
Yeah.
whatever's in the sheet, they put here.
No, the seed is just for the rest is just for the cow.
The cow,
But
okay.
that's-
So that's the excess soya which has been strained out, and they give that to the cows. How does the milk become solid?
because they just melt with salt, and they have to wait here. They put it here.
Ah, do they steam this?
It's not steamed. They just need to press anymore.
Ah,
One
right.
more time. You can see after the milk.
Yeah.
Here.
So the liquid soya milk with salt gets put into this over here, and they just wait. How long does that take? How long does that process take?
3 menit dan ya. 3 menit ya. 5 minutes.
This takes 5 minutes to
Yeah.
become solid,
Yeah.
like this. Yeah, it's the salt that makes it hard.
Yeah.
And then he ends up with this. So now he's going to take the soya milk with
Yeah.
salt in it.
Yeah, they already mixed with salt, and
Yeah.
after they just put it here to make it like this.
And if you're wondering why he's smoking, it's allowed in Lombok. So if your tofu smells of cigarette or tastes of cigarette, this is why.
Literally, that's it.
And that's it, liquid, and then it goes to solid.
Yeah, and then it goes to that, and in afternoon usually they're boiling again. They slice and they boil.
Ah, right, okay, so is that just drying? It's just
Yeah.
drying there for the liquid to drain out,
Yeah,
and then they boil it again in the afternoon.
they slice and they're boiling. They
Slice and
can
boil
make
it.
bigger or smaller.
There's the soya milk. Is it cooled down a little bit?
I don't know, it's a glass itself. Really fresh. Not my usual taste, but it tastes alright.
Hey, you're going to become vegan now.
No.
No dairy products, fresh soya milk.
No. I think my mum would like this.
Nice.
Thumbs up.
Okay, so these guys every day? They work every day from 7 o'clock in the morning till 12 o'clock in the afternoon for 7 days a week, just making tofu.
Cool it down.
Yeah, cool it down with a bit of cold water.
Rinse it. Solid.
Look at that, fresh tofu. There goes the soya milk. It's pretty good how it just hardens in like 5-10 minutes. Just because of the salt. And they don't steam it, they don't cook it, they just leave it there to cool. And then turns into this thing, yeah. Big slab of tofu. But if I wanted to buy that slab, how much would that 3 kilos sell for? 50,000.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one slab of tofu, 3 kilograms, cost about £3, £2.98. After it's cooked or hardened, they put it into racks just to dry and drain off the excess water before slicing and then boiling again. So that's how they make tofu. So the tofu factory is not in Tetebatu, it's near Tetebatu. It's called Masbagik. So if anybody wants to visit here, ask for Masbagik and you'll find the tofu factory.
And it's Masbagik in Dangur.
In where?
Dangur.
Masbagik in Dango.
And it's spelled like danger, but it's Dangur.
So that's where you'll find this tofu factory.